Dancehall artist Massacre's debut album 438 has secured the number 2 spot on the Billboard Reggae Albums chart. The album tallied sales and streaming in the US of 2,864 equivalent units. This includes 733 copies in pure album sales as reported by MCR data. 438 was released on December 3 and sits one place below Bob Marley and the Wailers' album Legend, The Best of Bob Marley and the Wailers, which is number 1 for 101 consecutive weeks. Now, Massacre's album features 16 songs with collaborations from Popcorn, Steph London, Sean Paul, and Dexter Daps. The artist has been getting rave reviews since the project was released. Massacre was trending number 1 in music on YouTube with the track Suicide Note, and the track Pain, which features Popcorn, is trending number 3 on the streaming platform. On the international scene, rapper Travis Scott has been removed from Coachella's 2022 lineup. This follows the deadly Astroworld festival that claimed the lives of 10 concertgoers and injured hundreds of others on November 5. News of his removal from the Coachella festival comes on the heels of a Change.org petition that has asked for Scott's removal from all Golden Voice performances. The petition has already gained over 61,000 signatures. Coachella, first launched back in 1999, is dubbed the largest music festival in North America. The festival is slated for April 15 to 24 next year. I am Deidre Gordon reporting for ePrime.